Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're learning how to use chopsticks and why they're more versatile than you might think. First, let's talk about what chopsticks are. In Japan, chopsticks are commonly used for everyday dining. Forks, knives, and spoons each have specific functions cutting, piercing, or scooping food. Chopsticks, on the other hand, are a versatile tool. With just one pair, you can handle food in many different ways, such as picking up, cutting, or wrapping. Japanese cuisine places great importance on the shape, texture, and visual beauty of food. Chopsticks are well suited for this, allowing you to handle food gently while preserving its shape and presentation. They also feel like an extension of your fingers, allowing you to sense even the delicate softness of foods like tofu. In Japan, young children often start by eating with forks and spoons, but by around early elementary school age, many learn how to use chopsticks with guidance from their parents. Chopsticks may feel a little difficult at first, but once you learn the proper grip and techniques, they become an incredibly convenient tool and make mealtimes more enjoyable. Now, let's learn how to hold chopsticks properly. Hold the top chopstick like a pen, using your thumb, index finger, and middle finger. The bottom chopstick is supported by the base of your thumb and your ring finger, and it stays still. Hold the chopsticks about 2/3 of the way from the tips and move only the top chopstick. If you find it difficult, start by practicing the movement with just one chopstick, holding it like a pen using your thumb, index finger, and middle finger. Then add the second chopstick, resting it against the base of your thumb and your ring finger. Once you can move only the top chopstick in the same way, you've got it. If you don't hold them correctly, they can be difficult to use. Next, let's look at the 7 basic ways to use chopsticks. Chopsticks can handle small items like beans, slippery foods like pasta, and even soft foods like tofu. You can easily scoop up foods like rice, an essential movement in Japanese dining. You can also place and carry delicate foods like a fried egg without breaking their shape. In Japanese meals, chopsticks are commonly used to gently peel off fish skin at the table. They can then be used to cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can also wrap food such as wrapping rice with nori. They are also efficient for mixing foods like natto. By mastering how to use chopsticks, you can enjoy Japanese cuisine both beautifully and deliciously. Please enjoy Japanese cuisine with respect for the ingredients and the people who prepare them. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese food and culture.